guys, today we're going to make loaf bread muffin. So this is a party muffin actually, and this recipe is from my son. He already watched the video from, I think, one of his lessons in his school. Okay, so we're going to need 3 loaf breads and then 2 eggs. Then we need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of this one is kepikaru cinnamon powder, and then this one is almond flakes, and then we have cranberry and raisins. So actually I have this one, guys. So this is mixed nuts. So I just take some of the cranberries and also raisins here, and then I put it, and then of course the loaf bread, and we're also going to need olive oil, and then we're going to mix a little bit of milk. Okay, so Kuya, that's your recipe. Because Kuya G wants to eat the muffin. You want to eat muffin, right?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start doing it. Okay, so and of course we're going to need this one also, guys. This is a muffin, cupcake, panchan cup also, so you can put the muffins there later. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, we're going to cut this into pieces. Okay, so small cubes. Okay, so I will just cut this, guys. This is a cinnamon, guys, and then this one is our sugar. So it's up to you if you want to add more sugar. And then also this is our cranberry and almond. So let's just put it, and let's add a little bit of milk. This is our milk, guys. So my cameraman now is my son. Thank you, Kuya G.
Yes.
And then we're going to mix this. So right now, guys, it looks like that. Okay, you can boil. Oh yeah, it takes a little bit.
6. Okay. 8. 9. 10. Red.
Let's make colors. So we have 3 greens and then
Green.
oranges. put a little bit of olive oil in here.
Olive oil?
Yes. Wow. So olive oil here. This one also olive oil.
Eh?
Yeah, you have to put olive oil so that it will not be sticky.
Ah.
Okay, ito to. This mom's way. Umaga, hanip ang kopya.
Mommy is good. Oh, I love you.
So then we're going to put this here.
Okay. Wow. Oh my god.
Like that. I don't know if it's too big.
Huh?
And this one also. Okay, you have to keep it here. Okay, follow. This side is like the muffin, right? Should be like that.
Mm. Oh.
Okay. And then we're going to add a little bit of sugar on the top.
Yeah, okay. Oh. This one's good. Wow.
Okay, see?
Okay.
You want to put cheese?
Okay.
Cheese? You want to put cheese?
Okay. 치즈가 정말 맛있겠지?
And we're going to put cheese on it, guys. This one. So let's just try if it's delicious.
네.
So let's just cut it like that.
와. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
와. 와. 이거 진짜 맛있겠다. 와.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, can you take a picture?
뭐라고요?
Can you take a picture?
사진 찍. 풍기였다. This is air fry.
Yeah, air fryer.
Yes. Okay. 좀 이따가 만나세요.
Air fryer. We're going to use the cupcake. Oh, no. It's not. So we are going to take
What?
the cupcake.
What?
It's 160.
Oh my
So
god.
maybe 15. Maybe let's try 10 minutes first.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Wow! Ayan na siya, guys. This is our muffin now. Our muffin, loaf bread muffin is done. 어때요? 있어요?
네.
이름이 뭐예요? Party
거기에
Muffin Cake.
머핀 케이크.
Wow, Party Muffin Cake. Let's eat Party Muffin Cake.
시청자 여러분들도 제 영상 가봐가지고 구독, 좋아요
This is
많이
very
해주세요.
easy to make. 한번 해보세요. Bye guys. See you again next time. Please like and subscribe.